Hey everyone, welcome to the first module of the course where we will be converting HTML CSS into a React Redux application. So let's first of all show you what we have as a template in our hand, which is plain HTML, CSS and JavaScript. That we plan to convert it to React single page application. So as you can see, it's a simple block that we have slider on the top. We have trending posts, we have fresh stories, that's latest posts or stories we can show like this. We have a footer as well in the bottom. So I want to show you the code side of the block very quickly, then we will move on the second video and where we start actual coding. That is where we have code, HTML code. We have comments for each section that will make our job very easy to convert. So basically, that's first of all a header on the top, and which ends up here. We have top images section, secondly coming. We have top home section, thirdly coming. We have fresh section, and at the end we have a simple footer. We will have other pages which is single post. When we click on post, in post, we will be redirecting to single post. We have error 404 where the page is not available. We have a category list where we will be clicking any category on the menu. So without any words, let's start coding.